Today, we're diving into the AZZA CSAZ-7000B Zircon full tower PC case, a powerhouse of a chassis designed to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. With its sleek black design and high-quality tempered glass side panel, this case not only looks the part but also provides clear visuals of your inner components, allowing you to showcase your hardware with pride. Let's talk compatibility. The CSAZ-7000B supports motherboards up to ATX size, accommodating a wide range of builds. And with support for video cards up to 390mm in length, you can install even the most beastly GPUs without a hitch. Plus, with its ample space, cable management becomes a breeze, keeping your rig looking clean and organized. Cooling is crucial for any gaming rig, and the CSAZ-7000B doesn't disappoint. With included black fans on both the front and rear, airflow is optimized right out of the box. But if you're looking to take things to the next level, this case supports radiators up to 360mm on both the front and top, ensuring your components stay cool under pressure. Now, let's talk RGB. With addressable RGB lighting that syncs with compatible motherboards, you can customize your setup to match your style or sync it with other RGB peripherals for a cohesive look. The possibilities are endless, and the results are stunning. In terms of build quality, the CSAZ-7000B impresses with its combination of tempered glass and metal construction, offering both durability and aesthetics in one package. This isn't just a case, it's a statement piece for your battle station. Overall, the AZZA CSAZ-7000B Zircon full tower PC case ticks all the boxes for gamers looking to build the ultimate setup. With its spacious interior, excellent cooling options, and customizable RGB lighting, it's the perfect foundation for your dream rig. So why wait? Elevate your gaming experience today with the AZZA CSAZ-7000B. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.